हेलो दोस्तों, नॉलेज एवरीवेयर में आप सभी का स्वागत है। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन की सीरीज़ हम लोग चला रहे हैं, उसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए 254 क्वेश्चन से हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, अ लीगल एग्रीमेंट बाय विच अ पर्सन बोरो मनी फ्रॉम अ बैंक यूजुअली टू बाय अ हाउस इज नोन एज मॉर्टेज। अब देखिए, मॉर्टेज का मतलब ऋण लेना, मतलब अपना घर खरीदने के लिए आप बैंक से एक एग्रीमेंट बना के जो लोन लेते हैं उसे हम मॉर्टेज कहते हैं। फेलिंग टू डिस्चार्ज वंस ड्यूटी, अपने कार्य को करने में असफल होना, उसे हम डिरिलिशिएट कहते हैं। डेरिलिक्शन डेरिलिक्शन कहते हैं फेलिंग टू डिस्चार्ज वंस ड्यूटी। Able to use left hand and right hand equally well is known as ambidextrous. One who hates women is known as misogynist. A system of naming things is known as nomenclature. A raised passageway in a building is called walkway, चलने वाला रास्ता. Head of monks in abbey is known as abbot. A person who loves mankind is known as philanthropist. To confirm with the help of evidence is known as corroborate. The action of looking within or into one's own mind is called introspection. One who believes in many gods is called polytheist. A person, especially a young one with exceptional abilities, is known as prodigy. To be dogmatic in one's opinion is called opinionated. Intense and unreasoned fear or dislike is known as phobia. Excessively enthusiastic and unreasonable about something is called fanatical. An agreement between two countries or groups to stop fighting is called ceasefire. Full of criticism and mockery is known as satire. To give one's authority to another is known as delegate. A new word coined by an author is known as neologism. The absence of law and order is called anarchy. A voice that cannot be heard is called inaudible. High sea waves caused by underwater earthquake is known as tsunami. A disease which is spread by direct contact is called contagious. The study of ancient civilization is known as archaeology. An animal story with a moral is called fable. A thing likely to be easily broken is called brittle. Body of singers is called chore. Person with whom one works is called colleague. Honesty of character is known as integrity. The art or practice of spying is called espionage. Expression of sympathy is called condolence. An instrument used to record sound is called phonograph. Murder of a man is called homicide. Use of force or threat to get someone to agree to something is called coercion. Animal that feeds on plants is called herbivorous. A number of stars grouped together is called constellation. तो आज के लिए इतना ही। ये इतने सारे वर्ड्स आपके लिए इंपॉर्टेंट हैं जो कि आप एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जा चुके हैं या लगातार पूछते जाते हैं। तो जैसा कि आज भी आपने देखा कि हम लोग 30 तक की चीज़ों को हमने रिवाइज़ कर लिया। इसी तरह से हम 800 से ज़्यादा रिवाइज़ करेंगे और इस रिवीजन सेशन के होने के बाद जो 2021 का एग्ज़ाम आएगा उसको लेके हम लोग एक सेपरेट वीडियो बनाएंगे जिसपे हम लोग हर चीज़ एक्सप्लेन करके उस पर काम करेंगे। तो आप प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, मुझे सपोर्ट करें, ताकि मैं इससे अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोज़ भी लाने में काम कर सकूं। थैंक यू सो मच। जय श्री महाकाल।